Deratech HU3015 high-speed laser cutting machine is equipped with a European operating system and high-precision servo motors. After secondary development, it now supports multiple laser-specific functions, offering a clean, intelligent interface for more convenient operation. It features a ladder-type 6000 series aerospace-grade aluminum beam, whose lightweight design improves motion efficiency and processing performance. The machine bed uses a high-strength steel plate mortise antenna welded hollow structure, which reduces thermal impact and ensures durability and stability. The hydraulic lift-type exchange table is equipped with a German hydraulic station. 4 sets of cylinders can lift workpieces up to 16 tons, meeting the needs of thick plate cutting. The fixed cutting height optimizes fume extraction performance. The Z-axis has a short stroke to ensure high-speed stability. The machine is also equipped with a second-generation automatic nozzle change system, enabling automatic nozzle replacement, centering, and autofocus. This reduces manual intervention while enhancing operational safety and efficiency.